My biggest concern right now is we're facing just this major issue with labor. Okay, our skilled labor is aging, they're exiting. The new generations don't see this as a viable or something they want to do. So, from a business perspective, do I have enough labor to go execute that work? Because I signed a contract with the owner. I've got terms and conditions that, if I don't finish on time or otherwise, so there's a huge financial impact. On the vertical side, I'm relying on the subcontractors, but it's the same deal. Okay, I've got to turn that building over on a date certain. I've got liquidated damages. I've got, we got to build the quality that owner expects. And if I can't find the labor through our subs, then I have all kinds of issues. I have potential delays. I have a potential for sub default. So it permeates through the entire business. And so it is, to me, one of the biggest drivers out there that we need to be figuring out right now. In Dallas, I'm involved with United Way, and we went to a school, a middle school, and the teacher, working with junior achievement, the teacher said, a lot of the kids today that aren't select athletes, anything that feels exerting physically, they don't want to do. They stop. And so, you look at construction, somebody's, 20 stories up, or it's a hot day and they're out digging. And what worries me about that is the construction continues to grow, the complexity changes, and I don't know how we continue without, filling that backflow. We're not bringing the inflow, and there's there's an awareness. I mean, the unions, AGC, a lot of the subcontractor trade associations, they're doing everything they can. And if you look, our workforce is, we rely heavily on immigration and bringing the right skilled labor in. So you have a lot of dynamics working that we've just got to be very mindful about how we come in. And so as a risk manager, that's a broader enterprise risk, but it hits everything we do. The quality of the work, the safety, which is very important. So it is a big deal. And I think there's, people are trying to do the right things, but we haven't figured it out yet.